Boring people probably outnumber the interesting ones, the talkative ones, the ones who are so focused on their own story that they forget to let you get a word in edgewise, the ones who will bore you with what they ate for breakfast. Avoiding them is tough. They're everywhere, and many times you don't even know it until you're in the middle of a conversation with one of them. So how do you handle a boring person? It's easy to be bored when the other person isn't saying anything interesting or relevant, but there is also an experience known as being bored when talking about interesting things. This happens when your conversational partner needs more encouragement or probing before she can get into her topics and ideas. You can't always stay home and do your own thing when you have friends. Sometimes you have to go out and socialize, even if it's with people who bore you. It can be difficult to confront boring friends about their behavior without offending them. Maybe you don't want to confront them at all and just give them a chance. You don't have to suffer through every conversation with a boring person. You can end it politely or even make it a teaching moment. The best way to deal with a boring person is to be honest with them. You don't need to be rude, but you can be direct.